With the Preview app on iOS26, we now have the ability to create blank documents and PDF documents on the fly instantly. All I'm going to do is tap onto Create Document, and I've got two different options. Let's do the Create from Clipboard first, and Preview is going to check on my phone to see what I've just copied from another app, and then it's going to paste it. Here I've got a photo of Godrevy Lighthouse, and it's now created a new document for me with that photo. At this point I can then crop, I can rotate, I can rename, and I can use the markup tools to annotate this document. Let me just very quickly scribble Godrevy Lighthouse on here, and then using the highlighter I'll do something weird on the rocks at the bottom. Look, a masterpiece, beautiful. When I go and press back in the top corner, that's now saved as a new document in the Preview app. But we can also do this from a blank document as well. So if I press Create Document again, this time I'll go for a blank image. And now I've got a blank page the same size as my screen that I can start drawing on. You may not know this about me, but I'm actually an excellent artist, as you can see here by my masterpiece I've just drawn for you. And of course we can then press the back button and this will save that artwork, or scribble, onto your phone. This is the first time you can actually create your own markup pages and save them natively without having to do screenshots and stuff first, and it's in the Preview app on iOS 26. If you want to see what else your phone can do, check out my channel down below and make sure you subscribe for hundreds more iPhone quick tips. I'll see you next time.